So for making Oreo cake, our king ingredient is Oreo biscuit. Along with that, I'm using classic cream chocolate flavored biscuit because the Oreos are very sweet in taste. So I am mixing the both, but this totally depends upon your choice. Either you want to use only Oreos or you want to mix the both biscuits like me. And after this we are using gems for sprinkling upon the cake and Eno as a rising agent and obviously some milk. So let's make the batter. I'm blending the biscuits to make a fine powder. Now the biscuits are blended. I am pouring some milk in it and blending it again. The batter is almost done. I am adding one Eno in it and blending it again. I have greased it with melted butter and sprinkled some flour so that our cake will not stick to it. Now pour the cake batter in it. Now tap it a little bit to break the air bubbles in it. Now sprinkle some crushed gems on it. Now I'm placing an inverted plate on the surface of the pressure cooker. And now I have placed it inside the cooker. Remove the whistle of the pressure cooker and bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. 45 minutes our cake will look like this. Let's test. The screwer is clean, it means the cake is properly baked. The Oreo cake is now ready.